Last stop of the night. Last stop of the night. Damn, only one cookie? Well, at least I know bowl with the chalky milk. Yeah, this is hard. I got some time to kill. Ah! Alright, it's time to lock it. Finally got me some good loot. What? Are you serious? Again? He's awake. Not that. This one. No. No. Oh, finally.
What's going on, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be installing this carbon fiber steering wheel. I want to give a huge shout out to Kustom Interiors. They're the ones who sent this over. It's a good quality product just from looking at it. So I'm super excited to install this. I've never actually done a steering wheel in any of the cars I've ever owned, so this is a first. The first interior mod I've ever done was this shift knob and this shift boot. So I went with the suede on the sides to match the shift boot, so that'll be a nice touch. Hopefully the install is relatively simple. But if you've seen me install anything on this car, you know that we're in for a treat on this one. So let's just get right to it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna have to do is take the airbag out. From what I've seen other people do, you just poke these holes and I guess the bag comes out. So we're gonna do that. I should probably unplug the battery before I go poking around at the airbag. All right, here's what we're working with so that it doesn't touch. Hopefully it doesn't catch on fire or something. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. This doesn't feel safe, but we're protected, right? Because the battery's not connected. We're getting somewhere. Oh, nope, we're not. Oh. Oh, who knew this would be the hardest part?
Bruh.
Don't try this at home. I finally got it out. Oh yeah, I can already tell right now, I do not have the right size Torx bit. I'm gonna have to go get one. Okay, now we're trying to take the sensors out and everything in here. I'm a trained professional, so nothing should go wrong. Oh, you almost pulled one of the wires out, no lie. This is not going as planned. I don't have the right bolt to take this set screw thingy out. This stupid cord won't come out. Oh, hell no. Finally got the airbag connectors out. Whew. This is one part that I will not be throwing across the yard like I normally do. Okay, so we are running into our first problem. I don't have a T50. So we're gonna have to make a pit stop. Psych! The neighbor had a T50.
Oh, hell no.
Fully charged Ryobi. Never failed me. It better not fail me now. It just failed. The gun is hitting the steering wheel. Alright, you know what? Oh wait, it loosened. I wonder if I'm turning the set screw. Alright, only one way to find out. Yo, we're cooked. We'll be right back. Alright, we're not stripping it, which is good, so we're just gonna keep going. Oh, that's kind of hot, bro. Now we should just be able to pull this off. Should. That's the key word. Easy, bro. Big dubs.
Did it get it?
It did.
Hell yeah.
Okay. Now, we're just transferring all the electronics over, and we're good. Bro, I swear clips are literally like my worst enemy. This thing is not coming out. Okay, now I have everything out of the old steering wheel, and now I just have to put everything back onto the new one. Okay, this is surprisingly going very, very easily. I was honestly kind of worried, but I'm not anymore because I'm a certified mechanic and I forgot that, but it's looking good. This electrical tape is super gooey and I'm getting it all over the steering wheel, so that's not good. Am I dumb? Where do these go? Huh? Oh, bro, it goes in here. Oh, I'm stupid.
2 hours later.
It's getting dark out and these clips aren't wanting to clip. Like, can this just... Can it just clip in, bro? Oh, we got it.
Nope.
Bro, this is not clipping in, bro. And my hands are all sticky. Oh, okay. I think it's in. I'm just gonna hope it's in. All right, for the final touches.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, these mosquitoes are so annoying, bro. Now you can put the wheel on. Ooh, yo. Oh, yeah. All right, now we just got this set screw to put back in. Hopefully we don't strip it. Oh, hell no. Freaking mosquitoes, bro. Oh, it's in there. Oh, it's in there. I'm gonna stop before I start stripping anything. Holy crap, bro. These mosquitoes are... All right, all we have left is the airbag, and we're done. All right. So we're just gonna connect this. Oh my gosh, bro. The mosquitoes are pissing me off. Hopefully the car doesn't blow up. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see the mosquitoes, but I literally had to go get bug spray because I couldn't do it. I forget where this one went though. Oh, I found it. Is that the right way? I think so. I hope so. Okay, I'm just dumb and that's all that it pushes in, so we're good to go. Now it's just pushing back the final. Okay. All right. Come on. Bro, it's getting in the way. Oh. Got people calling me and shit, bro. I can't finish this job. Oh my gosh. Bro, these, I don't know, I don't know if y'all can hear anything, but these mosquitoes are mad annoying. Bro, there are literally 50 million mosquitoes in my car right now. And I can't roll up the window because the battery's dead. Or not dead, it's just unplugged. And this stupid clip keeps getting in the way. And I don't know where to put it. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna stop complaining. And I'm gonna do it. Oh my fuck. I just can't get this stupid thing in. Working in Florida at night is probably one of the most annoying things you will ever experience. Oh my god. Oh shit. It's in! No! Let's go! Yes, sir. Despite the millions of mosquitoes that are in my car right now, we got it done. The real test is to plug the battery back in and see if all our buttons still work. Okay, nothing is fried, so... oh. Okay, I'm not gonna tighten it yet. We got power. That's a good sign. Okay, let's turn this puppy on. All right. Let's go. All right, so see if everything still works. Put it in gear. Rev match. Oh, let's go. If it turns yellow, it means it's working because it's turning it on. So our rev match works. Let's check the other paddle though. Okay, it works, it works. What about this? Okay. Our buttons seem to be working. Let's go. And most importantly, my music buttons, they are working. So, oh, and our volume button. Oh, our volume buttons are working. Let's go. Yo, I just realized my fuel gauge is working again. Bro, there's no way. Oh, hell yeah. Let's go, bruh. Nylong is gonna have to sit on the other side now because I can actually see my fuel gauge and I don't ever look at my speedometer because y'all know why. The most important part though, does my horn work or is it gonna blow up? Here we go. All right, our steering wheel install was a success.
Hey. What the fuck are the real go? Finna up the lamb chop, I'm the real go. Make it down, bitch.
All right, guys, it is the next day. Coming out here to show you guys the steering wheel during the day, just so you can see it better. Oh yeah, that thing looks nice. You got the flat bottom. Maybe it'll be easier for me to get in and out of the car now. Who knows? You got the red stitching, the red stripe up top with the carbon, and the Alcantara on the sides to match the Alcantara shift boot. At first, I didn't know if I was gonna like how thick the wheel was compared to the stock wheel, but I'm definitely already used to it, so. But that's gonna do it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. I wanna give another big shout out to Kustom Interiors for sending this steering wheel over. If you guys wanna pick up a steering wheel or any interior bits for your car from Kustom Interiors, I'm gonna leave their Instagram in the description below so you guys can go check them out. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. And if you guys enjoy my content, please drop a sub because I got banger videos in the vault. You're not going to want to miss them. But for now, that's going to do it for this one. I will see you guys in the next one.